I was sent these different size bobbers to review and give my honest opinion. So let's go ahead and open these things up, check them out so I can do that. All right, so these are the slip bobbers out of the package. We have some 5-gram ones and some 4-gram ones here. So let's go ahead and check them out of the package. So they're pretty nice. They're painted well. They have the plastic tube here. And how slip bobbers work is you put your line down into this part of the bobber and then it comes out the bottom here. And that's where you would put your fishing rig, your hook, your leader, whatever you're going to put down here. And it comes with the stops you need. These stops here. You basically put your line through here and then you pull the stop off onto the line. And it goes on your line. And these are rigged up this way so that way you could just easily slide these onto your line with no problem. It comes with quite a few of these. As you can see here, there's a lot of them. And then they give you line stops and also some luminant beads. So this is pretty nice. They give you everything you need to do your bobber. And again, this bobber is pretty nice. I really like these type of bobbers because they're very easy to see out of the water. They float well. And you can see movement with these very easy. Plus they cast really well too because they have the slip. A lot of times people use these bobbers that slip like this in weeds, things like that. So that way you'll have a little bit more leverage to get them out of the weeds. But yeah, these are nice. I mean, I couldn't expect anything else out of these bobbers. So yeah, I like the setup here. Like I said, I got these are the 5-gram ones and these are the 4-gram ones. So these are just gonna be a little bit taller, but a little bit thinner. And it also comes with the stop beads for your line and then also your stops at the bottom and some luminant beads. So these are very nice. I like them. I definitely would buy them. I hope this review was helpful. If it was, would you give the video a thumbs up? If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to the channel, if you would do that, that really helps me out. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all take care.